Ever seen this symbol in Python, and wondered what magic it does? In just 2 minutes, you'll understand how decorators can transform your code, like adding superpowers to your functions. Let's say you have a simple function that says hello every time you call it. But what if you want to add something special, like logging a message, or timing the function, without changing the original code? That's where decorators come in. Think of them as wrappers that modify or enhance your functions without touching the code inside. With just a single My Decorator, we can now add extra functionality around our function, before and after it runs. Cool, right? Here's how it works. When you use the My Decorator, Python takes the original function and passes it to the decorator. The decorator wraps it in a new function, and voila! You've added behavior without touching the original code. Decorators are super handy for logging, checking permissions, timing functions, and more. Next time you see the symbol in Python, you'll know it's not magi, it's decorators. Want more Python tips and tricks? Subscribe for more magic in coding. To Quantum Saga IT.